Marge and Duncan, and this is my assistant Leah. Today we're making microwave fudge, and this is a recipe that was passed down to me from my aunt who received it from her mother-in-law. So the first thing you need is about a pound of powdered sugar. And because we are going to microwave this, you want to be sure you put it in a bowl that is plastic or glass and is microwave safe. And after the sugar, we'll need half a cup of cocoa. Okay, it's okay if you get a little extra. And now Leah's going to start stirring while I add the rest of the ingredients. You'll need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then a 1/4 cup of milk. I'm using skim milk, but I don't believe it matters what kind you prefer. And then you need a tablespoon of vanilla. Okay, and you want to mix this up until it's partially blended. Just kind of get the moist part stirred around pretty well. Okay, and once you've got it partially blended, you add half a cup of butter, or basically 1 stick. And you put it in the center, in the middle, and make sure you wipe the excess powder off the spoon so you don't lose too many of your ingredients. And then we'll microwave it on high for 3 minutes. Okay, now that we've microwaved this for 3 minutes, we actually take it out and find that the butter's still not quite melted. So we'll mash the butter up a little bit, clean off the spatula, and then we'll microwave it for just about, I'd say, another 45 seconds. Okay, so now the butter is pretty well melted, and Leah's going to stir it until it's mixed, and you want to stir it pretty fast, just so it gets well mixed. And if any of the butter is still not quite melted, it should be warm enough to melt pretty well while it's being mixed. Okay, and while Leah's doing that, I'm going to measure out the nuts. We'll need a cup. It doesn't really matter what kind you use, they just need to be chopped up. I am using walnuts. Okay, and once it's smooth, we'll add the nuts in. That was half a cup. This will be the full cup, or we'll make it a full cup. Okay, and mix it up pretty well. Okay, that's good. Then once you have it mixed up, you want to pour it into an 8 by 8 by 3 inch casserole dish that you've lined with wax paper. This is what we're using. Okay, here, I'll take that and help you. Once you get it in, you want to make sure that it's on the wax paper so it doesn't stick. And then you can spread it out so it'll be kind of even. Alright, and once you have it spread out and ready to go, you want to chill it in the refrigerator for an hour or in the freezer for 20 to 30 minutes until it's solid. Okay, now we've had the fudge in the freezer for a little over 20 minutes, and we're going to take it out. Okay, and can you see the knife? Okay, we'll test it to see if it's the proper firmness. If it is, it's good and solid, so we're ready to cut it up into squares and serve it.